to the channel, guys. Another unboxing for you, of course, and I won't keep you that long because I know you're all excited about the brand new, yes, like I said, it is brand new Amazon Fire Uno wheat. That's correct. It literally just come out the 3rd of June, and you know what, we have to go and get it. So let's see what there is to offer, and this is the slightly longer, more in-depth detailed version. There is another version going up very soon, but it's literally the picture unboxing because gathered you quite like the picture unboxing, so you're going to have two, this version and the shorter version. Let's get straight into this. So brand new, guys, just for you, not even open the packaging. Didn't work, did it? Try again. That's very good packaging at all. Here we go. And I have gone for the white version because white is just amazing. Of course. Look at that beauty. They had other colours, but no one wants boring black or graphite, and red was not even proper red, it was like a really maroony red. So let's open this cube. Oh yeah, by the way, do you like these socks? They are mint donut socks because guess what? I do not care. Moving on. Okay. Don't you just love the smell of newness? That is something I've always loved since being a kid. All my days, I've even put it in a little stand for you. That presentation is pretty darn nice. What would you say? Oh my god. So this is an upgrade from the Fire 7. Oh, that white. This is an upgrade, so it's not a 7-inch screen, it's an 8-inch screen. Hence the 7 and the 8. I love that. Just stand it up like that. Nice one. Lovely jubbly. They've all gone out on this one. A complete different approach to the packaging and the unboxing from the 7. A while back I did actually get the 7. But look at that. All leaflets and booklets. Charging port, of course. If you're not using it, if you want to use it with a plug, you can. There's actually not much more to unbox. That is literally it. Don't you just love that? A simple design. And this is a, what is it? I can't remember what they said. 2 GB of RAM, 8-inch screen, up to 1 TB of expandable storage, and it's, oh, what did they say now?
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen.
There you go, quad core, 2 GB of RAM. Whereas that wasn't the case with 7. No screen protector, but they had that. So basically, it's not a very long unboxing. I thought it'd be a very long unboxing. So let me just show you the buttons on top. So this one is your volume up and down, and that's literally your on-off button. That is how simple this is. And oh, this is slightly different. So I guess this is how you unlock it. You lock it and you unlock it. Let's see if it's got any power. Normally they have a little bit of power. Oh, here we go. They have a little bit of power. Very simple, guys. Very simple, neat and clean. Fire, because we're on fire. Ooh, Right, I'm going to do another video of the setup. So this is literally just a quick unboxing to show you the first look of it. And like I said, it's got a picture unboxing already up on my channel. So there are all the languages that you can get in it. And there's going to be another video soon showing you the setup. So that is literally it. I'm going to thank you very much for clicking on this video. The first look of the white, not this boring graphite, white Amazon Fire. It's a pretty shame actually I couldn't get the HD. They were literally gone so quickly, but I pre-ordered this. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. You can say that I've not even used it, but I know what to expect. It's going to be much more powerful, and I reckon very similar to an iPad mini, which is also very good, so why the hell not? Oh, built-in speakers too, look at that. Oh, it's so exciting. And it's nice to see them develop from one generation to the next, because I don't know why they always call them generations. They're not been like 10 years ago, that's a decade, but you know what I mean. So there we go. Like I said, thank you very much for clicking on this video. We did like this little unboxing here. Smash that like button if you're new here. Why not the hell subscribe, because you know you want to. And I'm just going to love you and leave you, that's it. I'm just going to go with the flow and let you get on with your day. Ciao for now. Guys, we rebranded! Hey! I hope you like it. I hope you like this. Subscribe if you're new and join me on this journey.